Welcome to today's session. So today we are going to see types of CSS. CSS Cascalic style sheets. So here today we are going to see three types of CSS. So what are the three types of CSS? The first one is external style sheet, then internal style sheet, last one is inline style sheet. External style sheets are specified in an external CSS file. Internal style sheets are specified inside the header section of the HTML page. Inline style sheets are specified in an HTML element. So the external style sheet, that should be a two different document. One is a HTML, another one is a CSS. We can link by using a link tag. That should be a external style sheet. Internal style sheet means it should be a single document. Inside the single document we have a style part and also the content part within the HTML document itself. That should be an internal style sheet. Inline style sheet, the style should be specified inside the tag itself. Whenever the tag created, inside the tag itself we mention the style, that is called inline style sheets. Let's see one by one with an example. External style sheet. When you want to apply styles to multiple web page, you can use an external style sheet. So the main advantage of using the external style sheet is that you can change in style sheet, it will be reflected all the web pages. So no need to go for each and every web page to change the styles. That is the main advantage of using external style sheet. So we have already told that we have two different tags. So one is the HTML, two different documents. One is the HTML document, another one is a style document, that is CSS document. So we can link by using a link tag. So that link tag should be specified inside the HTML document. Inside the HTML document, that should be specified inside the head tag. That is an important. So inside the head tag you create a link tag that you should be mention the particular CSS document. It will be refer the CSS document and it will be applied. So this is the way to create an external style sheet. So this is the example for external style sheet. We using a link tag. Link relative equal style sheet, type text slash CSS, href equal to file name of CSS. Let's see the example. So here we have two different documents. One is a CSS document, another one is a HTML document. In the CSS document we define the style of the particular tag. In HTML document we given the content. So how to link? By using a link tag that should be present inside the head tag. Here I mentioned inside the head tag, see here, link rel equals style sheet type text class CSS and href equal to that CSS file name within a quotes. So once it will be referred, automatically it will execute. The style will be reflected in the web page. So this is called as external style sheet. Next one, internal style sheet. So internal style sheet can be used when you want to apply unique styles to be a single document. It should be a single document. You should be using unique style. So whenever the document you created, inside the document itself you provide the style, that is called internal style sheet. So see the same example I will use it in the internal style sheet. So that should be present with the use of style tag. That style tag should be mentioned inside the head tag. That is an important. See here, head tag. Inside the head tag we using a mention the style tag. Inside the style tag you mention the style. What is the style going to be done for the particular content? After that we close the style tag and also we close the head tag. So here the style tag is used for internal style sheet. It is an important that should be present inside the head tag. That is an important one. Let's see the example. So it's a single document. So start with HTML and then head tag. Inside the head tag we mention the style tag. Inside the style tag we mention the styles. After closing the style tag we close the head tag and also we open the body tag. Inside the body tag I am using a p tag, that is called paragraph tag. Welcome to external style sheet. The same outputs, the same content will be used for all the three different style sheets. So only I am using welcome to external style sheet. After that I close all those things and execute the document. It will be reflect the same output, that is welcome to external style sheet. So this is come under a single document. In external it is a two separate document. We can link by using a link tag, but internal it is a single document. Inside the HTML content itself you mention the style with the help of style tag. That should be present inside the head tag. Inline style sheet. So inline style sheets, that whenever the tag created, that inside the tag itself we mention the style sheet, that is called as inline style sheet. So mostly most of the experts are not prefer inline style sheet because it will be bound to lose many of the advantages that CSS offers. So that's why they are rarely use this inline. So mostly they use inline internal and external thing, but you can know how it is used. So see here example, inside the paragraph we start with style keyword, style equal, within a quotes we mention the style and close the bracket and the content and close the paragraph tag. So this is the example for inline style sheet. Let's see the example for same thing. We see the example. So HTML document, body document, after that it start the paragraph tag. Inside the paragraph tag itself I mention the style by using the style keyword. Style equal particular styles we apply. After that close that welcome to external style sheet and close the paragraph tag. We close the body tag and also HTML tag. Finally I execute, the output will be present, that is welcome to external style sheet. So this is the main thing. So only one important thing here want to record is that we are using a 3 style sheet. Which one is a high priority? When we executed, we have the same 3 thing. Which one gives high priority for the browser? So which one is highest priority means first one it gives highest priority for inline, after that internal, after that external. The last one is a browser based. So this is a hierarchy for the browser based content. So these are the types of CSS and we see the example. Thank you.